What's cooking good looking? What's cooking good looking? What's cooking good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by yours truly, T-Bone Marmaduke, aka The Duke. Well, this could be the most fun you've ever had on a spike. Today we're making some pork tacos. Today we're making food on a spike. Got this beautiful big old hunk of pork leg to be precise. And what we're gonna do is slice her up with this caveman cleaver, marinate her with some Waz BBQ Sauce, and we're gonna stick her on the spike. What could go wrong? Okay, so what we're gonna do is just slice her up into little slices, like so. I think that'll do. So the idea with this is we slice up all these little slices so we can get it all marinated and stick it on the spike, and we have little sticky bits, like this. Oh, that little that's gonna create some nice little gnarly bits. I think I'll save that for the top. We're gonna throw this into a dish so we can pour all our sauce all over it. The sauce we're gonna use today is the Waz Hibiscus Tropical. Oh yeah! Oh man, I like the smell of that. Oh, we're gonna pour a load in here today and just smush it all up. Make sure everything's covered for a little marinade. And I'm even gonna throw in a little bit of apple juice just to literally get the juices going. This is very therapeutic work. Now I'll close her up and stash her for a few hours. So we got a little mail call. Postman just dropped this off. Hey, look at that! Kebab Spike Company. Thanks guys if you're watching. Yeah, let's open her up. That's hella cool. Oh man, look at that. All right, great. So just, okay. That's cool. Okay, so we're going big first time. Ah. Screws on. I get it. Cool design. Now this might be a little bit too tall. Let's test it before we load her up with meat. Just too tall. We'll rock the shorter one today. We got plenty of room. There you go. Plenty of room in there. For our base, we're going to use a bottle of the apple of the pines. So we've had this meat marinating for just under 4 hours, and now we're just gonna stick it on the spike. I gotta say, this is a first for me. I mean, I'm used to rotisserie, of course, if you watch this channel, but that normally spins horizontally. We're going vertical, baby. We're going up. The only way is up. We gotta put the meat down first, however, and then we're going up. We're gonna elevate our stack game. We gotta stack it. That's looking good. I like this game. I can't wait to see how this comes out. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm just gonna slice a bit of the apple of the pines just to go on the top, just to keep everything locked and loaded. There you go. Oh. Voila! Now we're just gonna reach for our meter probe, stick her in like that, and we're gonna read it and it'll tell us when we're ready. Does it close? This is like when you close the refrigerator. You don't know if the light goes off or not. Okay, we just gotta set up the meter probe. Okay, so now down is our little sneak peek. Whoa, look at that! Oh, it's ready. Oh, look at that, it's taking on some good color. I like it so far. This is a fun game. Oh, but if you're cooking, you ain't looking. Or something like that. Okay, so the meter probe is telling us we're about halfway through our cooks. We have a little sneak peek. Oh man, look at that! Dang! Dang, look at that. So we've got a lot of that Waz hibiscus flavor going through our pork. So we're just gonna switch gears. We're gonna add a little bit of this just to round it off that really tropical flavor that's going on there with the hibiscus flavor. This is gonna add a little bit of sweetness. Whoa, oh, Mr. Bumblebee, he wants a little bit also. You want a job? You can help me paint. All right. Whoa, looking for something sweet. That'll do. You can't paint without a paintbrush. Give me a sec. Oh man, look at that. Oh, so this is just gonna round off a little bit of that flavor for the fussy little kids indoors over there. Oh man, this is looking good though. This is as much fun as you can have on a spike. Look at this. Oh man. Oh, beauty. That is a tower of power. All right, we better close her up because you ain't cooking, you ain't looking. If you're looking, you ain't cooking. Okay, so we're almost at temperature. Oh, look at that. Oh man, what a good afternoon this is turning out to be. I'm just gonna add a little bit more Traeger barbecue sauce because that's gonna caramelize and go all gnarly. And I'm gonna actually crank her up as well. We're gonna go 210. Hey Bobby!
Yeah?
I nearly joined the South Gilly debating team.
Yeah?
But somebody talked me out of it. Well, the little hand says it's time to rock and roll. Whoa, look at that. Oh, man. Well, if you know me, there's only one thing to say right now, and that is, oh, man. Put a little cherry on the top there. We show off our sauces that have been doing the work today. Oh, man, I think all we got to do left, that's all that's left to do, is slice her up, serve up some tacos. Oh, that is a sight to behold, people. Oh, okay, let's slice her up. Oh, look at that. Oh, we just slice her up with the caveman cleaver. Smelling good. Better remove the meter. Man, there's loads of meat here. Who wants a slice? Look at that, we twist it around. Mighty fingers. Oh, look at that. Oh, I can't wait to tuck in. So we've used the rest of the pineapple for a little bit of salsa. We made some slaw. We've made some guacamole. We're gonna throw these down in some tacos. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Well, I mean, there's not much else to say here, but it's not even a Tuesday. Well, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh man, this is cooking with the Duke.